What should we do with efflorescence, wall cancer, mold growing, chip paint, and water leaking problems? What should we do when the electricity bill keeps on rising when the temperature is extremely high inside the house? We are the expert in terminating water leakage and overheating temperatures of buildings. Water leaks are the main cause of destruction of the anti-seismic structure in buildings, which can put you in danger. Only the fiber reinforced waterproof paint is your solution by solving the problem. This is a wall. We applied the left side with fiber reinforced waterproof paint, while the right side is without any waterproof paint. Then we use a high-pressure water sprayer to spray onto the wall. Let's take a look at the back side. The result: there is no water penetration on the right side of the back wall with fiber reinforced waterproof. On the other hand, water penetrates like a fountain on the left side of the wall without any waterproof paint. This waterproofing test showed us that the fiber reinforced waterproof paint, made with imported polyurethane resin with specialized material and waterproof fibers, can greatly emphasize the waterproofing ability. Simple waterproof application. First, we prepare the ultra-premium multi-purpose primer and fiber reinforced waterproof paint. Then we follow the instructions below. Step 1. Surface preparation. Remove all loose and defective paint, oil, moss, or other substances on the surface. And in severe cases, please wash the surface with water and make sure the surface is completely dried and clean. Step 2. 1 layer of primer. First, dilute the primer with water with a ratio of 1:1. Then use a roller to completely cover the surface with diluted primer. The drying time is about 3 to 4 hours. An additional 2 to 3 layers should be applied if there is chalking or aging on the surface. Step 3. 2 layers of the top coating. When the primer is completely dried, first, apply the paint onto the parapet wall and the edge between the floor and the wall with a brush. Then use a roller to completely cover the surface with the paint. Wait for about 8 hours or the next day to apply the second layer for completion. If extra thickness is required, please use multiple thin layers. Fiber reinforced waterproof paint consists of anti-pressure ability with extra strength, water resistance, weather resistance, UV resistance characters, and SGS assurance. Anti-heat waterproof paint with specialized anti-heat ceramic microspheres can be used to fight against radiant heat and UV light to effectively decrease temperature. This can be the ultimate anti-heat solution to the humid heat in houses during summer, without spending big money on an air conditioner. These are house models for imitating the anti-heat situation. We applied anti-heat waterproof paint on the right roof, while the left roof is without any paint. Now we turn on the 2000-watt halogen lamp and wait for the rise of the indoor temperature. We place an ice bucket into each house model for the anti-heat experiment. Now we can see that the ice in the right house with anti-heat waterproof paint barely melted, indoor temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, the ice in the left house without any paint is melting severely, indoor temperature of 47 degrees Celsius. This anti-heat experiment proves that with its high-technology ceramic microsphere, anti-heat waterproof paint can resist radiant heat and UV light to decrease more than 6 degrees Celsius the indoor temperature. Simple waterproof application. First, prepare ultra-premium multi-purpose primer, anti-heat waterproof paint, and then follow these instructions. Step 1. Surface preparation. Remove all loose and defective paint, oil, moss, or other substances on the surface. In severe cases, please wash the surface with water and make sure the surface is completely dried and clean. Step 2. Apply 1 layer of primer. First, mix primer and water with a ratio of 1:1. Then use a roller to completely cover the surface with the primer. The drying time is about 3 to 4 hours. An additional 2 to 3 layers should be applied if there is chalking or aging on the concrete surface. Step 3. Apply 2 layers of top coating. When the primer is completely dried, apply the paint onto the parapet wall and the edge between the floor and the wall with a brush. Then apply the first layer of paint with a roller and wait for 8 hours or the next day to apply the second layer for completion. If extra thickness is required, please use multiple thin layers. For the metal surface construction, primer is not required. Just directly apply the anti-heat waterproof paint after the surface has been cleaned. Anti-heat waterproof paint consists of anti-pressure ability with extra strength, water resistance, weather resistance, UV resistance characters, and SGS assurance. The expert in terminating roof water leakage, house water leakage, and heat in houses. Oolong Paint advocates 6 major business concepts: customer satisfaction, quality comes first, innovative research, sustainable development, teamwork, and high credibility. We also introduced high-technology materials from America to effectively improve the quality of waterproof construction. Oolong Paint's production process is guaranteed by SGS and ISO assurance. We have also been certified National Healthy Green Building Material in 2006 and received the 15th Chinese Architecture Golden Stone Award, certification of appreciation from the Italian government, and the only Test Right Retail Group Excellent Supplier Award in the paint category. In the future, Oolong Paint will continue to develop innovative products with great quality and efficiency in serving our customers' needs.